Hello everyone, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. This is a special video where I share some special stuff with you and of course the food that I ate all day long, as well as a little bit of Berkley's food. Before you go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you make it all the way through, or even if you don't, make sure to give this video a like. Hi, so today is a very special day. Today I get to meet my biological grandfather. I am adopted. Ooh, spilling my chai tea latte. And so my birth parents are both adopted as well. And so today I get to meet my biological grandfather and his lovely wife. And Berkley gets to meet him too. Berkley, say hi. And so it's going to be a beautiful day. I get to finally meet a birth grandparent. I've been blessed with the most beautiful grandparents, but I've never met one who is biologically related to me. So this is going to be beautiful and I'm so excited, and I'll show you all the food that I eat today. Haven't ate anything yet. I've just got my chai tea latte. I had one of my nice little yummy concoctions earlier that I always make, and I'm going to take my supplements and I'll show you a shot of those. And always I'll leave you a 20% off discount code so you can try them out. I take my mushroom vitamin every day. My turmeric, I had some of my turmeric supplement. I put that in my drink. Some of my maca supplement. Ooh, so good, so good. I'm all about my herbs. Yeah, so we'll show you guys what we eat today. Here are my supplements. You guys see them every time, but I always want to show you so you know what I'm continuing to take. And it is a what I eat in a day video, and I'm eating these. So I will link them all below. These are my maca and my turmeric with ginger and a little bit of black pepper. I'll link you a 20% off discount code below for the Motive 8 supplements. They are an awesome company with so many different things. Check out all the different ones that they have. They have like everything. I ate an apple and I made Berkley a smoothie. So you guys, right now, currently it is Earth Month. We are in April at the time of filming this video. And what better time to show your support to Mother Earth? You can buy one bag of Earth Chimp. I will leave you a 10% off discount code linked below. And it's good for so many things. They will plant you a tree. We love Earth Chimp. We use it every single day. I use a scoop in my morning drinks as well as my nighttime drinks. And I do 2 scoops in Berkley's, all of her smoothies, every single one. We make pancakes. We make, I'll show you later. I made some chocolate drizzle. We've made little treats for different holidays. It's amazing, and support the earth. So, had me a cucumber, as you saw, as well as some applesauce. You know, I love to snack. And what we are going to have for lunch is some of this, you saw the name, grown ass mac. This company's awesome. They sent me these to try out, and it's really, really good. I had posted the other day on Instagram. It's just like, it's regular boxed mac and cheese, and there's no oil in it. So and that's what I'm super excited about. You know, I'm not going to try stuff that I don't eat myself or that I don't let Berkley eat. At least one of us has to be in alignment with our full lifestyle if I'm going to try a product. And so I'm stoked. I love what the company is about. And so I wanted to share that it's really, really good. And it's just like making regular mac and cheese here. It's very simple. It has a little dried cheese packet, and it does tell you in the ingredients or on the box to add some vegan butter in. But what I did instead as an alternative is I took a few scoops of oat milk, of my Joy oat milk. You know, I love my oat milk powder. Also, if you're looking to further celebrate Earth Month, you could always buy a pack of Joy oat milk powder. You just mix it with whatever type of water you want, and you are saving on, instead of buying cartons and reusable, you know, plastic and all this, you can make up to 8 quarts with one package. So it's really awesome. But anyway, so I used some of my oat milk powder as well as a little bit of soy sauce to make up for the you know, the saltiness that would have been in the butter, and it ended up being really good. I made this the other night and did the same combo, and so it's really, really, really good. Look how good it looks. Oh my gosh, it was so good to eat. I love me some mac and cheese. Berkley loves mac and cheese, and so it was just a really nice treat to be able to actually eat some boxed mac and cheese. It was so good. So I wanted some veggies. It's later in the day that I'm getting to eat for the first time. Berkley had a little Lara bar and a banana, and so she ate a little bit, but I had ate nothing because I was just so excited to get to meet Grandma and Grandpa, and was just so excited, and I wanted everything to be great before they came. I wanted us to all be good to go, the house ready and everything. So I hadn't ate. So here's my California medley veggies with the mac and cheese, and it was really, really good. Berkley had her own little serving here, as you can tell, but she'll go right through that. And when she's having mac and cheese, she scarfs it down and she's like, more mac and cheese, I want more mac and cheese. And so I shared some of mine with her. So now we on this same day got our Forager Project yogurt in. So I love Forager Project. They're an amazing company, and we get yogurt from them every month. Now, they have different types. They've got kid-friendly kind. Well, all their yogurt is kid-friendly, but they send the little pouches that come in the different colors, in the different flavors. There's like a blueberry, it's yellow, there's a blue one, and there's a red one, it's pink, purple, so all the different colors and then different flavors. And then I'm all about the probiotics and the prebiotics, all these sorts of things. I love whatever I can do to foster a healthy gut for myself and for Berkley. And so the best way for kids to take in those probiotics, at least the way that I found that she will, because she's not gonna, we don't do kombucha, and we don't do she's not feeling sauerkraut. I didn't start eating that till I guess the last year, and so it's kind of foreign to her. But the yogurt is such a good way for her to get that in, like probiotic wise, remember, healthy gut, healthy mind. So, what are you doing to feed your gut good, and healthy things for it? And so yogurt is a great way. So obviously plant-based yogurt. And so that was the strawberry, the blueberry. They have the little drinkable kinds as well. And it's really, really good. Those are the little kid pouches. And then that first yogurt that I picked up, the big, large tub, you guys have seen me share that before in a previous video, but also on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on social media, go check it out. That is a bee-free honey alternative. That way it's a honey flavor, but there's no honey in it. So no animal product was used. And I thought that was so cool that they did that. So we love Forager Project. Thank you for being you. They also sent me some recipes too. That were all showing how you could use their plant-based yogurt for different recipes. So you saw I had a big sweet potato. I put that in the microwave. I did 5 minutes on each side after poking holes because it's a huge Japanese sweet potato, and I wanted to make sure it got fully cooked all the way through. I am now making a yummy chocolate drizzle. I got inspired by somebody on Instagram. Her name is Nourish with Brittany, and so she'll have like sweet potatoes at the end of her night every night, and she'll put like tahini or some sort of chocolate sauce on top, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to do that. And so what I did here is I just poured in some pure maple syrup, and then I took some of the Earth Chimp protein powder. I put a couple tablespoons in there, and I mixed it together to make a sauce. I have me another beverage here that I had that is Earth Chimp, that's cacao, soy milk, and I think I did some matcha. And so yeah, here's what look how good that looks. Look at that drizzle over my sweet potato. It was divine. And then like I got to dip the Japanese sweet potato in the bowl afterwards to like get the remnants of that chocolate sauce. It was so good, you guys. It had a cake. It tasted like was it like a cake batter? Yeah, like a cake batter. It was so good. And then on top of a Japanese sweet potato, which already is like I was eating cake with icing on it. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about if you've had Japanese sweet potatoes before. So later we went with Grandma and Grandpa to a Greek restaurant. They let me pick. And so I was like, let's go to Acropolis. It's this really good Greek restaurant in the town that I live in. And we go there sometimes on special occasions and different like birthdays, things like this, because they have really good falafel and vegan options, and they had a really good Greek salad I've had in the past. That's what I was going to end up getting tonight, and I was able to make suggestions to at least to Grandma on what to get. Grandpa is a meat eater, so he picked a shish kebab, and the owner is so nice. He brought us out a complimentary hummus with some pita bread, and so they got to taste that, and they really liked it. I made my homemade dressing at home. That was the one that you've seen me make before with the equal parts spicy mustard, balsamic vinegar, as well as maple syrup. So I brought that with me from home and drizzled it over the salad. And we got Berkley some potatoes and she ate some hummus. And that was our evening. That's everything I ate that day. If you guys want to further support my channel, you can always go to buymeacoffee.com/TheBusyVeganMom. I'm so grateful that you're here with me on this journey and are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out. Your presence here is so appreciated. I hope you have the best rest of your week. We will see you next time.